Hi folks, it's just an opportunity for me to share a little bit of information here with you. I wanted to give you an idea of what my trading office is like and what's behind the scenes going on and everything. So I run an office out of my house, and I run 4 computers simultaneously. However, they're all independent of each other. That way, if one crashes or something happens, then the other 3 I have as alternatives. On the main screen, you can see that I have my stock streamer. It's a list of stocks that I'm actively watching. It shows the company name, their cost, whether they're up or down, the bids and asks, as well as the day high and day low. I also run my charts off of this monitor as well. There's computer, and as you can see, I have 6 charts running right now, and identify the stochastics, the triple stochastics, MACD, moving averages, candlestick patterns, all those neat, cool little things that mean something in the TA world. And the next computer, I run my broker off of. This is where I make my trades through Interactive Brokers, and it's separate and apart from obviously the other ones, so that it's fairly quick and runs independent. I also run my Stock Trigger site through here, and this is a site that I belong to that provides information on stocks and an opportunity to talk to a professional trader. His name's Craig Waldorp, and he's down in North Carolina. And as you can see, each day he'll put out primary playlist, and what that does is gives us a bunch of stocks that we could be watching or should be watching, identifies them, as well as identifies a rating, and both alphabetically and numerically, and that means something to us in this room, and we trade them accordingly, and it'll give us an idea of where they may be going and at what rate they may be going. You can see that he also has market update threads, stock, identify individual stocks that want to be talked about, and you can discuss them on there. And on this one I'll also have FinViz, which is basically a stock information site, and identifies all kinds of technical information about different stocks, their average volume, their average movement, up to minute news, everything you want to know about that particular stock and or sector, so that's helpful. Moving on to the third one, this is where I run a live S&P 500 chart all day long. It has live commentary on it. As you can see, there's all kinds of lines and different things on there, and that just is basically showing what the market's doing, and gives a really good idea of where it's going and why it's doing it. It also identifies patterns, and in the background as well on this one, not only is a live commentary about the S&P 500, but there's also a live feed from the NASDAQ trading floor, which provides all the news that's going on at the time. I shouldn't say, but the majority of news that's going on at the time, and it's all live. Talks about world markets, world incidents, Euro, everything that you want to listen to. So that's running in the background all the time, and I watch it and listen to it while I'm doing my trading, and adjust myself accordingly. And the fourth computer, just take a second for it to come down to the proper lighting, is daytradingradio.com. It's a live website during trading hours, and this is the chat room from it, and it's a professional trader out of Nyack, New York, who identifies stocks, identifies plays, answers questions about different stocks. There's also a lot of you can talk directly with them through this chat room, and it's timely information and timely assessment of the world markets and everything else. As well, it gives you an opportunity to talk to a bunch of other professional traders in this room that will provide information, have discussions, and show their trades and what they're doing and why they're doing it. So there's a lot going on in this little room, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what it was and how we're doing it. So hope that helps. If there's any questions, just let me know.